Okay, so we are at question number 9. So welcome back after a long holiday. Okay, holiday was so long, I don't feel like coming back. I ate so much stuff. I don't feel like eating like today. Okay, yeah, eat a lot of things. No?
Yeah.
Yeah. Chinese New Year, eat what? That's all you do. That's all we do. What does you do? No? No? You eat a lot of stuff? Yeah, I ate a lot, no? Like,
Yeah, you every day was at least eat more pop.
how do you know? Almost every day. Can you take the scan?
You see, if you're not to eat it.
Yeah, most of the time it's just steamboat, okay? Because that's the Chinese New Year dish. Yeah, there's fish inside there right now, but the water looks a bit weird. Alright.
There's also shrimp inside.
Yeah, there's also shrimp. 5 shrimps and 6 fish. 11 organisms. Huh? P5, P6, 9. Okay, so anyway, back to this. Yeah, hopefully you have been doing math. Yes? Have you been practicing math? No? Oh no. Samuel? Have you been practicing math? No. David definitely has been practicing math.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
I don't know. Have you been practicing math? Yes, you see? Very good, right? Boston also, right? Boston have been doing math, right? Boston? Your only hope. Yes, you see? She's not. Okay.
Yeah, her.
All right. So it has, okay, math you have to keep doing. That's all I can say. There's no other secret formula how to do well. Yeah. So that's why we are doing all these papers right now, because you have WA, any WA common test? Finish. How was it?
Easy.
Easy. How about yours? Haven't. Oh, yours is what? Do at home. All right. Samuel? Next Friday. Okay. Yeah. So Blossom, any common test?
The Chinese WA one, the comprehension is in the textbook.
Okay. That's so don't have to print, right? Okay. Blossom, finish your exam. I mean your common test.
No, tomorrow's math.
Oh, so better do revision. Right. Yeah. All right. So the trick of secondary school is if you once you get it right, it'll be very easy. But if you don't understand, then it's going to be tough. Okay. So all you have to do is to spend some time to figure out how it works, right? So without further ado, I actually need you to do starting from question number 9. Okay, I printed the thing for you. All right. So we start from question 9. The past 2 weeks we have been doing revision, factorization, all that stuff. So we are going to continue revision at least until all your common tests are over. Okay. So just continue. Yeah. So then. All right. So please start to do now.
No.
It is important to detox the brain.
No.
What do you mean by detox the brain? Yeah, this is what I mean, right? Because during the Chinese New Year, I don't know what have you been doing throughout the 4.5 days? 4.5 days of holiday.
You know mine already.
I know you play game.
No, I told you yesterday what.
What do you do? Play game,
Me and my cousin.
Okay, but you have been playing game most of the time. Okay, I see your Instagram. You have been going to school. I only see your school Instagram. I don't have your Instagram because you don't have Instagram. Yeah, you have Instagram. No, you don't have Instagram. You are on YouTube. You're a YouTuber. No. Yeah, you play game, right? I see you play game all the time. Right? David is a gamer. And then you play game also. See, yeah? How can you do that? How can you do that? Right? Okay, so got the detox, right? So Blossom, what have you been doing for the past 4.5 days of holiday? Throughout the holiday.
Visit my relatives, then
okay.
just stay at home.
Just stay at home. Yeah. So same. I've been eating a lot of stuff. Okay. I don't know. I think I overate. Okay. So I didn't do any work. I didn't do anything except I uploaded one video. That was when I had time. Yeah. It was fun to try, right? It's first time I did an animation. Friend told me to give it a try. What? Yeah, it's an animation. Like I use the animation software to do the thing. Let me show you. Yeah. Where is it? Oops. Videos. Where I learn? Just learn online. This one. Yeah, one light. Now got two lights. Okay, go and take a look. Okay. And I'm very proud of this, right? No. I'm very proud of this thing. I actually did this thing. I show you. It's flying cupcakes, right?
The hell is this?
See? Flying cupcakes, people. You know how difficult it is to make this thing? You know how difficult it is to make this thing? I didn't know how difficult it was until I started trying to make it. Huh? Pita. It's a free software. This one. Just go and download, and then this one. And then you can draw professionally. Okay, of course I'm not a professional. Yeah, I do stuff like that. Okay, I can only like what? Yeah, I do this. Look, got hair. Oh, hey, see, you can put picture also. Cupcake, I add one. I go and find Google, then I throw inside. Then you see, you can draw cupcake. Draw this stuff, right? I mean, people produce very good stuff on Twitter, right? I show you, drawing. But I'm like, you see, you can draw stuff like that, or no? But I'm just like, okay, I only know how to use one pen. That's it, right? But you can make animation, piano drawing, can do all this. So I learned from this one, you see. He said, how to draw with a mouse. 4 circles, right? Circle, and then you get a hit. Yeah. I learned by watching this. Oh no.
Cool one that.
Then I learned by watching this. Hey, where's the head? The head.
How you gonna draw a perfect circle?
No, you don't have to draw. It's inside there. You just drag. I mean, if you want to draw, you can. Only on computer. You can. You see so many pens. I don't even know which one to choose. They give you like 20 options. Then I just anyhow take one marker. Start doodling. Okay. Yeah. So, no, just draw. Just draw. No, all the animation inside there. I talk first. I prepare a script what I want to say, and then after that, for that thing that in my mind is okay. I want it to look like that. Then I just draw the thing. Like for example, yeah, just draw. And then as you are talking, you pause. Yeah, you pause, and then you just draw whatever you want to, and then you play the whole thing. It will everything will come. It's so easy and it's free. I can't believe this is free. Okay, see? So I follow this guy. Toots by Kai. Subscribe. Okay? Toots by Kai. You see, they can draw all this, no? You see, try to draw this. But I don't have time, I don't have time, right? To draw. You see, look at this. Pita. Look at that. I follow this guy, right? Toots by Kai. Very simple. Okay? Yeah, you're doing work now, right? There. Oh, you're done. That's great. Okay. All right. So please continue. Okay. So what else I need to do? I need to do 9. 9 is doable. Let me show you what else. This 10 is doable as well. This one also can do because I went through factorization review. Okay, significant figure. Have you all learned? Anyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then can do significant figure. Blossom, have you learned significant figure? Not yet. Okay, never mind. It's okay. I'll go through. Okay. This also definitely can do. Just use without the use of calculator. It's just Botman's rule. This one algebra also can do. 13. Simple algebra, and that's the end. Okay, that means we'll do everything from question number 9 onwards. You don't want. I can't help you alone. But you're doing.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not doing.
Okay. So this. Right, please. We do 2 at a time. That means you do 9 and 10, and then we go through. Okay, 2 at a time. Wait first. Okay, do 9 and 10, all right? Everyone do 9 and 10, then we go through together. Okay, never mind. We try. Let me go to a few first. All right. So question number 9. Given that p equals -4, evaluate 9p squared minus p. So you can actually input into a calculator for 8 because they didn't say without the use of calculator, right? So you can actually input in. But there's a problem. Your p square, you gotta put a bracket. All right. What do I mean by that? In your calculator, you must put 9 times -4 squared. Then minus 4. Okay, this is what you should input into your calculator. If you didn't do this, you're probably going to get like a different answer. So 9 times -4 squared is 16, so become 9 times 16. All right, minus 4 become plus 4. All right, which is equal to calculator. 9 times 16. 148. So the part A is just 148. Okay, next for part 2. That's 1. Alright, so part 2. Now part 2, sorry, B part 1. This part A. Then B part 1. 6 minus 7 plus 22 times. So Botman's rule says we're going to solve this first. Alright, we solve the 5 minus 2. Alright, so what's 5 minus 2? It's 3. And then 3 squared is 9. So we have 6 minus 7 plus 22 times 9. Now once again, Botman's rule says we got to solve the multiply, alright? 22 times 9, 198. So 6 minus 7 plus 198. So this becomes 197. Okay? B bar is 197. Is that all right? Okay. Yeah, good. Next one. So they say without using calculator, of course you can use a calculator, right? But just write all the workings. like this. Write all the workings like this. All right, so next one, negative 2 cube. Now what's negative 2 cube? Negative 2 cube is 8, negative 8. Okay, minus 12 divided by 2 minus 8 is negative 6. So a lot of negative numbers here. So okay, so then which one do? We do negative 12 divided by negative 6. So become minus 8 plus 2. Right? Then this will be equal to negative 6. Right? So for B part 2, the answer is negative 6. Is that okay? Yeah, good. So this is your negative root. Right, this question tests your negative roots, whether you are able to know what to do for negative operations. Next one, 2 marks each. That's pretty generous. Next one, Roy bought 2 erasers at 49 cents each and 6 pens at $1.95 each from the school bookshop. The shopkeeper asked for $13.50. Use estimation to determine whether the charge is reasonable.
No.
Why?
Because it's less than the amount.
Okay, so without doing calculation, what do you mean by that? That means round off. Yeah, very good. You round off, right? So imagine this is 50 cents. Okay, so 2 times 50 cents is $1, right? And then imagine this is $2. $2, So 6 times $2 is $12, right? $12, right? Yeah, so if you take this plus this is only about 13. Right? This is the maximum. That means at the maximum you pay 13. Because you round up everything, you know what I mean? You round up everything, so the maximum should be 13. But they ask for $13.50 because the shopkeeper thinks you don't know math, right? Right? Or maybe Roy is looks like he don't know math. Okay, so the answer is not reasonable. Not reasonable.
I just won't know.
But it's 3 marks. So how do you explain this? You explain this with this one. This plus this is 13. And then you say this is the maximum. Maximum. Right? Something like that. So recent years math in secondary school has changed to a lot of this type of analysis. That means it's not just calculation anymore, right? You have to decide. They'll ask you things like, should you buy this one or that? Something like that. Okay, which is, I mean, quite fun to do because it's not just purely calculation. All right, so that's 9 and 10. Okay, factorization is forgot already. So how to do factorization?
Yeah, I know how to part 1, I don't know how to part 2.
Okay, never mind. So part 1, what you do is you look at the number. You see 28 and 7. What is the common factor between 28 and 7?
4.
Not 4. Common factor is 7.
Yeah.
Right, so we extract 7. So for A part 1, you take out 7, and then there's an A as well. So you take out A. So you take out 7A, right? So you left with 4y minus 1. That's the final answer. B A part 2.
Answer is 7A.
Yeah, it's just 7A bracket 4y minus 1. So it's just extracting common factors. Factorization means extract common
minus
factor.
1.
Minus 1 because it's 7A.
Yeah.
So you took out 7A, you left 1.
Yeah.
So this is the critical thing, okay? Next, between these two, we want to make this look the same, so I will take out another 2. So it's here I can take out 2. So it becomes 18z x minus 1.
Yeah.
And then after that, the thing that's common is x minus y, so I take out x minus y, left with 5 plus 18z. Now I haven't gone through this. It's called factorized by grouping. So I didn't want to do because we might be too far ahead already. Okay?
Yeah, too far.
Too far. It's still February, right? And we're all the way here. Right? So this one you don't know is fine. 2 we haven't teach yet. It's called we only learn factorization, but this is called factorization by grouping. okay, is another part of the. No, I just do since it's here. Right, this is the question. Is that alright? So if you don't know right now, it's fine. Because there are some Sec 4 students also don't know. Because they are forgotten. Can you imagine you learn in Sec 1, you test in Sec 4. So Sec 4, they have to cover a lot of stuff. Okay? You gotta cover everything for Sec 1. No. Sec 4 must study Sec 1 stuff. Okay?
Then Sec 1 must study Sec 4 stuff.
No, this is Sec 1 stuff. Yeah. Just that Sec 4 O levels, they test everything. Your school power, I told you already. Right. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so significant figures are only for those who are taught. Now, are you taught? Okay, Samuel, can you give me the answer for B part 1?
41.
Huh?
41.
Wrong, huh? Who else is taught? Davian?
Huh?
Are you taught significant figure?
This one.
This one. B part
410.
Correct. 410. Two significant figure, right? Is 410. Blossom, have you taught significant figure? In your school? Not yet. Okay, never mind. So only the boys. Okay, so how to do this? Now they say they say correct to two significant figure. So this is the first significant figure. This is the second significant figure. This is the third significant figure. This is the fourth. This one is the fifth, and this one is the sixth significant figure.
If the first number 0
wait first. So they want two significant figure. That means we are looking at this guy, right? This guy. So just now you said 41. Why is it? I mean, you got the idea correct that this is the second significant figure. But what you want to do is you want to look at the third one as well, because it's a 3. So 3 is less than 5. So less than 5 means you go down. You don't go up. Okay, you go downwards. And when you go down, it becomes 0. So answer is 4, 1, 0. Samuel, wait, are you tested this one? Significant figure? Significant figure? Are you tested in school? Have the school gone through significant? So you understand? Okay, good. Okay, so let's get to the next one. Two significant figure. First, is this significant? No. Is this significant? No. So your first significant figure is 6, right? No. Is this significant? Yes, this one is significant. Is this significant? Yes. Is this significant? Yes. Right? But so what is the second significant is here, right? This guy, right? Then you look at this, must upgrade, right? Because it's a 5. So the answer is 0.061. 61. Okay? 0.061. That's it.
Which one for 12?
12, yeah. Let's go through this. Calculate answer in the simplest form without the use of a calculator. That means you gotta show all workings. Alright, so what are all the workings? Yeah, it's quite a bit. Alright, so this 4 is 6, so must find common denominator, which is 12. So times 3, times 3, times 2, times 2. Okay? So this is 3, this is 2, common denominator 6, right? Times 2, times 2, times 3, times 3. So what do we get? We get negative 3 over 12 minus, become plus 2 over 12. Okay, that's the first bracket. Divided by
2 over 6.
Minus 3 over 6. Okay, so we make it simpler. Simplify the thing, which will give us, so negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1 over 12 divided by 2 minus 3, negative 1 over 6. Now, you learn in primary school. When you divide, what do you do? Change the time. So negative 1 over 12 times negative 6 over 1, which will give us 6 over 12, which is half. An answer. And yeah, because you need to do work.
So slow.
Yes.
I thought like 1 hour already.
How can that be so fast?
Yeah.
We only did 3 questions. No, it's in 1 hour.
No. 1, 2, 3.
What?
5.
Do what?
5.
Do what? Did you say for food? Alright, so this one finished. Okay. Alright, now this one you'll try yourself, right? It's doable.
Doable.
Definitely doable.
No, it's not.
Okay. You got this. This algebra. Okay, this is an isosceles triangle. What does it mean? It means if here is 7x plus y minus 4. Yeah, this is also 7x plus y minus 4. So express the parameter in terms of x and y. What do? Add everything. Add everything. This plus this plus this. Okay. And when you add algebra, you need to take note of the variables, right? So 7x is together with 7x, y is together with y, and number with number. This is basic operation, algebra operation, which we have done tons of it. Okay. Don't know. Wait first. Finish?
Yeah.
That's good. Is it easy? Okay, what? This one looks easier. Seven finish? No. By the way, this is from Bowen, okay? It's not a difficult paper. It's not difficult. Last week, I showed you a difficult one. Okay. Later after this, will be another difficult one. This is okay. Right. Doctor, are you finished? Okay, looks like you are done. All right. Let me just go through this. So first, you need to add them together. And how do you add them together? Just add up. So 7x plus y minus 4 plus 7x plus y minus 4 plus 11x minus 3y. So 7 plus 7, we look at all the x, right? 7 and 11, 14, 25. So it's 25x. Then all the y is 1, 2. There's 2 positive y and then negative 3y. So you end up with negative 1. Then the numbers, right? Minus 4, so it's minus 8. Okay, so that's the final answer. 25x minus y minus 8. That's it. Okay, any problem with this? Anyone? Because this is your basic stuff, okay? You must know how to do it. This one, don't know how to do, then no need to take exam. This one, no need to take exam, right? Okay, don't take exam. Then you can just quit it. Because this is your basic stuff, okay? But you are doing it, so it's fine. Next. So if x equal to 2.4, y equal to 1.2, find the parameter. What do? Substitute. So 25 times 2.4 minus 1.2 minus 8. Okay. So here, let's use the calculator. Right. It's compulsory to use calculator. Minus 1.2 minus 8. 50.8. Right. This is 50.8. Just input. Change the x to 2.4, the y to 1.2. Easier. Very easy. And that's the end. Alright, so we are done. Okay, so go one. What? Did I name the fish? No, I did not name the fish. Because they all look the same. I don't know how to tell them apart. Okay. Where did you get it from? Where did I get aquarium?
Why you don't make fun?
No, the idea is to enclose the thing. You know the aquarium something. They are supposed to be self-sustainable. You know what I mean?
Using the plant.
Yeah, that's why we grow the plant first, okay? It took a long time. Huh? What? No. So the idea is we will seal up the thing.
More like that gigantic.
Yeah, like the gigantic, right? So we got the idea from YouTube, right? It's supposed to be self-sustainable. That means the fish will eat the plant, the shrimp will eat the rubbish from the fish, and then the rubbish from the fish will feed the plants as well. Yeah, the whole thing is like an ecology environment, right? Enclosed environment.
Wait, so is it sealed?
I haven't sealed yet because I want to make sure they are fine first.
Then why is it that the fish can just run away?
The who?
The fish.
Run where?
They can climb out of the tree.
Well done, your fish can climb.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Blossom don't know what we are talking about. Huh? We have an aquarium here, okay?
Or was it
I think it's like
Fish tank. We got a fish tank.
I think it's like a guy with 40-year-old.
40-year-old? Yeah, I know. There's this guy with yeah. No, but ours is got fish one, got animal inside one. You know what I mean? Like fish. Yeah, so you can enclose. You basically there are people who did this, right? They enclose the whole thing. Like they seal up the whole thing. So the animals inside actually reproduce, and then after generation, they just stay inside there. What's that? What? Yeah, creativity kids that grow a terrarium. Okay, so you go and watch the video there. Close terrarium in an aquarium. No, this in an aquarium. Okay, but that's what I try to do. All of them will seal up. Everyone of them. They won't die. The idea is they will have oxygen because they're plants. You got it?
Like,
yeah, we just put near the window.
What? The amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide all fixed.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a shrimp.
So we're just trying to let them survive first,
So how long do you think?
I don't know. I mean, it took me 2 weeks to grow the grass. 2 weeks to grow the grass.
But you mean the grass is alive now?
Oh yeah, of course it's right.
Not fake.
No, it's not fake, right? It took 2 weeks. Put the seeds on, then they took 2 weeks to grow. Do you remember when you first saw it was like black color one? You don't remember? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, blossom, we gotta do work, okay? And all the people here, you can look at it, but at the same time, one eyeball look there, one eyeball look at your math. Okay, you gotta do your work. Now, which one do we do? Those who are tested on significant, please do this. This one everyone can do. Decimal places, everybody knows. Prime factorization, everybody knows this. Next is prime factorization, everybody knows this. And you know, significant. This rational, irrational number. What?
What's truncate?
What do you mean truncate?
It's number two.
Two? Truncate, that means round off lah. Round off. 6 decimal place.
Use simple English. What truncate?
Oh, they can't use simple because they are a good school.
Cannot use
cannot. Must give complicated stuff.
Like
okay, question 6 can do. Question 7 can do. You see? I know this. Question 8 also can do. Question, let me see. 9, 9A can do. 9A can do. This also can do. Right? All these learn already. Yeah, also can. Okay, just do an 11 first. Celeste. Start to do your work. Samuel, I told you one eyeball there, one eyeball on your. But you only have 2 eyeballs. How are you going to do that?
My dad uses glasses.
Glasses. yeah, good idea. Okay. Okay, please start to do right now. Okay, remember your test is going to be like this. Okay.
I finished my test already.
Who was it?
No.
Why?
I don't get a mark back.
Okay. Two? About 100? Oh, okay. Okay.
I passed my Chinese again.
Great.
For the second time.
Next week.
You know, math teacher threatening on our class. He said that if you don't get 30, right, you have to stay back every math lesson.
No.
And do your homework, okay? Then you can go home.
Okay.
That's very bad.
It sounds fair to me.
No?
Okay, do until question 11. We will do until 11.
Oh.
Yeah, there. 11 until 11. 11. We do until 11. Okay.
I forget how to first question.
Truncate means round off. Or chop off. Chop off. Alright, so let's see how to do this, right? So first question is done. 2 serial figure is just 1.0. Okay. This is easy. Now next, the rest is just this one, right? Just use your calculator. What do y'all get for this? 2A. Let's see, Celeste, what do you get for 2A? Okay. Oh, never mind. Give me the whole thing because I don't want to key in. Which is? 6, 8, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you get something like that? Oh, no. What do you get?
The 2 is 3.
3, huh? Because I think there's one more. You gotta look at the figure here, right? The next figure. 3. Okay, then this one change to 3 significant figure. So it's 0.00868. Right? Because this is the first significant, second significant, third significant figure. That's it. Right? 2 marks. It's supposed to be tough, but so far so good. Huh? Question 2 is okay. Next one. So find the cube root 178 by prime factorization. Okay, let's Samuel, what do you get for this? 12. So how do you get 12? Oh, cannot. 12 times 12 times 12. 12 is correct. Okay, so you need to do the prime factorization. You need to show the working. That means you need to do this is equal to 2 squared. That means 2 to the power 6 times 2 to the power 6, 4 times 3, correct? 2 to the power 6 times 3. What? 2 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 3. Yeah. Alright, so you need to do your prime factorization, you get an index notation, and then after that, split this into 3 groups. 2 squared times 3 times 2 squared times 3 times another 2 squared times 3. Okay, then eventually cube root 1728 is just taking one group. Okay, so recap. It's a recap. Your test, I told you all definitely will have something like that.
Then must find the answer.
Yeah, so this is equals to 12. Okay, these are very common questions that they like to ask. Next one. Okay, express 90 as a product with prime factors. Give an answer in index notation. David, what do you get? 90 equals to?
2 times 3 squared times 5.
Yeah.
B is 300.
Find the smallest possible value of n. So, so this 90n is a perfect cube. Now, for it to be a perfect cube, remember it has to be power 3. Alright, that means all of this. This is a power 1, this one, and this one. This is a power 1 as well. So they have to be power 3. This is a power 1. That means multiples of 3. Now, for it to be multiples of 3, I need 2 square, and then I need another 3, and I need 2 more of 5. Okay? So this is your n, which will become, so 2 to the power 2 times 3 times 5 to the power 2. 300. Very good. That's right. Next. Okay, can copy this. This type should come out, okay? It's like every paper they have this.
Is that easy?
Okay, but if you know, that's the thing. If you know how to do, it's very easy.
Yeah.
But if you don't know, you'll be like, oh my god, why is this again? Then you skip. Wow, what YouTube? What's that? What's that? Oh, what's that? Okay, so that's question 4. Next one. Okay, Blossom, which one are irrational numbers? Blossom? Irrational number?
Minus 27q.
Can you hear us? Blossom, can you hear us?
Minus 27q.
Minus what?
27q.
What? Oh, wait. Can you say again?
Negative 27q.
Negative, no. Nah. Irrational. The first one, right, is 5. There are 2 of them. First one is 5 over cube root 3. Square root 3. How come? Because square root 3 gives you a weird decimal. Irrational is like those non-pattern kind of decimal. Okay, so this gives you a non-pattern. The second one is actually power 4. Pi over 4. Okay, remember pi and square roots are all irrational. Okay, how about positive integers? So Blossom again. Positive integers.
0 and 5.
0 and 5. Okay, you got 1 correct. Wait, is 0 a positive integer? 0 is an integer, right? But is it positive? Yeah, I would say it's correct. 0, 5. There's one more. Square root 4. Okay, because square root 4 gives you 2. Wait, consider the following. Square root 4. No, we don't take square root 4. Sorry. So 0 and 5. Very good. Square. Okay, why we don't take square root 4? Because square root 4 has two outcomes. Square root 4 can be 2 or minus 2. Why? Why minus 2? Because minus 2, negative and negative is positive, right? So they want positive numbers 0, 5. Okay, next one, prime numbers. Okay, which one is a prime number, Blossom?
Square root 4.
Very good. Okay, square root 4. Okay, what else?
And 5.
And 5. Well done. See, it's not that easy, yeah? So represent all the numbers on the number line below. Okay, so 0 obviously is here, so you just put 0 here. Then after that, square root 4 is here and here. Okay, this is square root 4. This one is square root 4. Okay, what else? Cube root 27 is here. This is cube root 27. Okay, cube root 27 is negative 3. Then the next one, 5 over square root 3. So you're gonna use calculator, square root 3. Then 5 divided by the answer 2.88. Alright. So what we do is we use an arrow. 2.88 is somewhere here. Okay, so this is the 5 over square root 3. No space to write. 5 over square root 3. Okay, 2.88. Then the next one is 5. So obviously 5 is just at 5. It's 5. And pi over 4. So pi divided by 4. 0.78. It's somewhere here. Okay, so pi over 4. Okay. Oop, he's gone. Blossom just disappeared.
Yeah.
Yeah, she has left. She said bye bye. Next one. Huh? No, I think something wrong with internet. Okay. Okay, next one. So express. Oh, she's back. Okay, express 135 grams as a percentage of 5 kilograms. What do? We take 125 divided by 5,000 times 100. Okay, this is primary school percentage. So it's 125 divided by 5,000 times 100. It's just 2.222. What happened to my internet? 2. Oh no, now it's my turn. So it's just 2.5%. Next one is part A. So part B. Find the value of 4.5%. 4.5% is just 4. Oh man, my pen. 4.5 over 100 times $8. 36 cents. 0.36. Samuel, okay now. Next. Okay, without use of calculator, right? So this is our Bodmer's rule. Do the brackets first. So we will do in the first bracket, 8 plus minus 4 cube, minus 4 to the power of 3, we got negative 64. So in the first bracket, we get 8 minus 64. Then in the second bracket here, now which one do we solve first? Solve bracket first. So 12 plus 3 is 15. 15. Now then what do? We do left to right. Left to right. So minus 2 times 15. Minus 2 times 15. Minus 30. Divided by 3. Right. Then next line. 8 take away 64 is negative 56. Then minus, so minus 3 divided by 3 is negative 10. So ends up minus 56 minus 10 is minus 46. Negative 46. Okay, Bottomless rule and all this negative operations. Next one. Okay, simplify. Right. So let's look at for this. 8A. Oh, you didn't do already. Samuel? You also never do. Samuel? Too tired already. Oh man. Blossom?
Remember to.
Also never do. Oh, what's going on, people? Lose power already. Right? Make sure no more battery. Okay. 9. Let me see. Okay, how about 10? Also never do. Oh, that means from there you never do it. Okay, Blossom, you do 10? Can you do 10 now?
After that, can we go home?
No, do 10 now. Right, we got 7 minutes more. Okay, do 10 now. 10 is easy. Just substitute, right? Just substitute A equal 3, B minus 2 is equal to half. Now.
No.
Now, not no. Not now. Not no, it's now. Just substitute. Substitution. Five more minutes.
Huh?
5 minutes.
No, 6.
6 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
Finish it.
Thank you.
Very fast. Okay, what's the answer for 10A? 2.5. Wait,
You just complete later.
yeah, okay. They never say cannot answer. But you got to write out the work in.
No use cheat.
2 times 3 minus 3 times of half. Right, so this is 6 minus 1.5. So you get 4.5. Okay, that is correct. For B, Samuel, what do you get? Minus 42. Okay, let's check. 3 times of minus 2 squared minus 3 times of 3 divided by half. Okay, so minus 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Divided by half. What? 3 divided by half equals to 6. How do you get 42? Samuel, you got 6. The calculator wrong. Okay, so there's a danger of using calculator because you key in wrongly, right? Let me double check. Did I calculate wrongly? 3B are correct. 3A, yeah, so it's correct. It's correct. Okay, your calculator. So that's the danger, right? That's why they allow you to use the calculator because sometimes you may key in wrongly, okay, and you get 2 marks gone. Okay, last one. You want to do, I think choose 11 or algebra?
No, 11.
Answer? Okay, this one. You do this one.
No, you just ask us question, but then you already tell me algebra.
Yeah, that's what adults do.
Wow.
Adults always like that. Ask you, what do you want to eat? They say, I want to eat KFC. No, you better eat pizza.
No.
Okay, come, last one.
If you
Last one. Now this is easy. We've done this before. We got to do the rainbow method. Okay. I want to do this because just a recap. What is our rainbow method? So x times wait this one 8. So x times 2x will give you 2x squared. X times 2x squared. Then x times 3 is 3x. Then here minus 7 times 3 is minus 21x. And minus 7 times minus 1 is plus 7. All right, then we evaluate. So 2x squared minus 18x plus 7. All right, that's the final answer for A. Now for B, 5 times minus 2 is minus 10. Then A times B is just AB. All right, and then here cube root negative 125 is times negative 5A. Right, if you cube root 125, use your calculator, right, you get negative 5. Cube root A cube is just 8. So final outcome, minus 10 times minus 5 is 50. Then A times A is A squared, and B is just by itself. Done. So not too bad. We have 2 minutes, we can do another one, right? You want to do 11, right?
No.
That's why you were like, I want to do 11, I want to do 11.
I vote 12 now.
You vote 12. Never mind, I'm not going to do it, okay? Now, this paper, you want, I can keep for you. If not, you can keep, right? Just remember to bring the next week, okay? If you want me to keep, write on it, right? Like what Samuel does. Just write on it, I'll keep it inside my file. Okay? I don't have any homework. Just remember how to do all this. Hopefully, next week, all your tests over? Not yet, right? Over already. Okay, because I have the next thing that I want to go through, which is a new topic in algebra. Okay, there's a new topic in algebra. Oh, that's nice. There's a new topic in algebra that I want to go through. Yeah. No, it's another one. Okay. What's your name? What's that? How do you pronounce that? Huh? Hamster face. Okay, bye, Boston. That's all. See you next week. Bye-bye. Eat too much sugar. Bye. See you.